Hi guys, it's Erin from Siren Heart Soap. Today I'm going to be making a gentle baby soap. I'm going to add in some calendula, some colloidal oatmeal, and that's basically it. I'm adding a little bit of lavender essential oil, but it's going to be very lightly fragranced, and there's not going to be any colorant, so it's really going to be a very gentle, very nourishing soap. So the first thing that I want to do for this soap is put in my colloidal oatmeal and make sure that it's blended well. I just added a little bit of water so that it doesn't soak up too many of the oils, and I want to make sure that it's blended in really good into the base oils before I add my lye water. Alright, that looks good. And now I'm gonna go ahead and add in my lye water solution down my stick blender. There we go. Okay, now I'm gonna add in my calendula petals. I ground these so they're pretty fine, but I want to make sure still that they're well incorporated. And now for just a little bit of the lavender essential oil. But again, it's not going to be super heavily fragranced, just very light with the lavender. Okay, that looks good to me. All right, that's all she wrote, so I will go ahead and see you tomorrow for the cut. Hi guys, it's Erin from Siren Heart Soap, and I'm back to do the cut of the Gentle Baby Soap. I'm very pleased with how this one turned out. It's very nice and smooth. It looks like it even gelled a bit, so let's go ahead and yeah, you can see the calendula. It definitely, the edges partly gelled a little. It looks a little bit darker in the middle, but overall it looks really nice and beautiful. I love how it turned out. Get that out of the way. Yeah, I love that you can see all the calendula petals in it. Oh, beautiful. This one turned out really nice. And this one's set up really well and really fast, so probably because I let it get to closer to a medium trace before I poured it. I definitely like doing some of the more basic, more natural soaps too, as well as the fun swirls and glittery soaps, but sometimes you do just want a more natural soap. And this one I put just a little bit of lavender essential oil in it. I didn't want to go too heavy with it because it is also intended for babies, hence the name Gentle Baby. And I am very cautious when it comes to essential oil use, especially for babies. I'm very careful about it, and I don't like the percentage of essential oils in the whole batter to be more than 0.5% if it's something to be used for a baby or small child. So you can still smell a little bit of the lavender, but it's, you know, not much, just very lightly fragranced. There we go. Yeah, I just love how the natural color came out, just like a nice sort of golden buttery yellow color. It's just a really nice natural looking bar of soap. Yeah, if there are any other more natural soaps that you'd like to see me try to make sure you put a comment down below. I would love to see what you guys think. I know this probably wasn't as fun as some of my swirly, colory videos, but some people just really love the natural soap. So if you want me to try a different natural soap, let me know. Yeah, I just love the color that the calendula petals give it.